How to download Oculus app on PC. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to download Oculus application on your PC. So first things first, Oculus app or Oculus was actually just being rebranded onto Meta Quest. So it's working the same thing, it's just the name itself has changed. So for you to download this, all you have to do is to open up available web browser on your end. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now what you want to type in your search box is type in Oculus app download. Now you're going to be seeing a lot of results here, but what you want to choose is this option here that says Oculus PC application for Meta Quest. Once you click this, it will automatically be downloaded on the browser that you use, and this is the interface of Oculus. Just simply follow on-screen prompts where you would like your Oculus application to be located inside this folder. Click on Install Now, and you're done. And that is how you download Oculus app on PC.